So on our testing 3 environment, just demonstrating mentor match, I have an application already here in mentor match demo. Both the mentor and mentee opportunities have been put in that space. If I hop into that group under opportunities, you can see a mentee opportunity and a mentor opportunity. And I can update my application here. All of these categories are controlled in the demographics and categories area inside the admin panel. So I can save my application. This is for mentors. And then in the same group, here is another profile. And I can update my mentee application. All right, and now from the admin perspective, I can automatically match mentees and mentors. So I'm in the mentor opportunity, and right here you can see the mentees opportunity. And now you can see matches pending here. So now if I go to my application, you can see a potential match with Leo, and I can approve that. And also on Leo's side here, you can see a potential match with Nicholas. So I can approve this, and I can approve this. And now we have both approved each other, and typically there would be a couple of days of waiting by default before that match was finalized. And that can also be set in here. The finalized match, 2 days. So basically this is an opportunity for mentees and mentors to both accept potential matches before that gets finalized automatically. Now I can speed up this process and finalize mutual matches. And now if I take a look here, you can see that I am matched with Leo, and Leo is matched with Nicholas. And I can hop into an Etherpad meeting, so basically video and audio conference where they can do some typing together, paste images, that sort of thing. It's considered sort of a whiteboard session with video and audio controls so they can talk and see each other. And they can also private message each other from here. So there are some automation rules in place for potentially prodding them to, for example, be aware of a potential match that was selected, and also to notify the mentor and mentee that the match has been finalized. There are some rules for messaging to prod them to message each other if they haven't done that yet. So for example, maybe they were matched a week ago and they still haven't talked to each other or initiated a private message. So the system can be aware of that and prod them to move forward with that relationship. Some other rules are sending quarterly notifications. For example, 3 months in, it can notify them to fill out a survey or something like that, or to ask how that relationship is going. So a lot of this would be driven by different automation rules, but this is just an overview of sort of the pieces of how this fits together. And if we hop into the admin area under categories, you can see here's that summary field that I filled out, career stage, and some other items. So typically these would either be coming from your AMS, or you could export and then update a spreadsheet and then re-import that spreadsheet to finalize all of these. So if we just take a quick look at what these look like. You can see right here, these are all of the different areas that are included for these items. You can see the parent here and the name. So career stage, career stage. This is probably the easiest way to make changes. And then for the actual opportunity itself, you can see this top area with instructions can be filled out, an auxiliary link, for example, if you have something about this opportunity on the website, a location, if geography, like a city or county or state, something like that would be the location, or maybe you put virtual in there, requires travel, yes or no, max applicants and positions, automatically assign applicants, which will, if anybody submits an application, automatically accept it, essentially, which probably is what you would want to do with a mentor-mentee opportunity. And then you can see the matching opportunity. So mentor is matched with mentees and vice versa. And then choosing matches can be immediate, daily, 2 days, etc. A start date and an end date for the opportunity. And then a basic description here. You can add things like graphics or video embeds, any kind of attachments, additional documents, for example, PDFs. The image would be an icon for the opportunity. And then here we have the criteria. So for example, you can include the field, and you can also have requirements. For example, maybe they have to be 10 to 20 years into career. You could mark that as required. So only submissions where that is true, so the applicant has 10 to 20 years, only those can be accepted, for example. The preferred would be weighted in terms of matching. So what the system will do is attempt to take people who are similar in their profiles and put them together. That's the default handling. And then some final instructions. And the send update notification is a way to do a discussion post, just like all the other update notifications, so that everybody who is part of the group is aware of it. Probably typically you would just have a link to either the opportunity directly or the group to join the group that you would put in your open forum, for example. And then here's an umbrella flag for accepting applications, yes or no. So if we wanted to share this, we could, for example, copy this URL here and then paste in the open forum or the group itself. And what will happen is if somebody does actually submit an application here, they will be added to the group automatically. And you can see a lot of opportunities here, mentorship, volunteer, projects. That just enables the admin ability to create opportunities in those categories. And then you can also have a label. For example, maybe you call this mentorship or something like that. Yeah, and then apply to opportunities. Anyone can apply, only group members. There's a couple more areas from the home page. There are some boxes here. Get involved. This is going to list opportunities that have not been explored yet. So for example, I submitted a mentor application, but not a mentee application. And the system knows that. So it's telling me to get involved with a mentee opportunity. And then assignments, obviously I've been matched. So I now have this opportunity here. So those are a couple of areas where on the home page those can be listed. And I can also access those from under my account. And you can see here's my mentor assignment along with a status of matched. And under get involved here, you can see these opportunities that I haven't explored yet and I don't have an application in. So the system exposes on the home page and in the menus and on these opportunity searches all of the things that I've been matched with or I haven't actually applied for yet. And again, these can be pushed through to your membership by posting the opportunity links or the opportunity group in your open forum to let people know about it. Or if you wanted to, you could have an open forum type group that you have opportunities in. So you might actually post opportunities to your open forum group directly if you like. That will expose it to your whole membership. And then you could just use the post update notification feature to push that discussion in so people will get it in the daily digest, for example, the next morning.